Reliable Office Systems and Supplies Inc. was established by my father in 1975. We operate as Reliable Office Solutions now, and the company has now grown to about 70 people and $15 million a year in gross sales. 99% of what we sell is Canon products and Canon genuine supplies and parts. And Canon has offered fantastic support over the years.
Our team provides the installation support to the dealer partners. The Engineering Services and Solutions Group established this program after we discovered a need to help our dealer partners expand their businesses into software solutions.
The offering is comprised of different software solutions and different training packages. So some of the software solutions that we offer installation professional services for are Uniflow, Uniflow Online, Therefore, Iris Power Scan, Prisma Direct, Prisma Prepare.
Prior to utilizing Canon's professional installation and training services, we would either rely on a particular vendor of choice or our own internal team for deployments. But once introduced to Canon's installation and professional services team, we were very quickly won over by their level of expertise and attention to detail in their customer service. Canon's team provides us the ability to take on a wider array of projects and different scopes. It's provided Reliable the ability to stay at the forefront of an industry where we're a leader in office technology solutions.